Okay students, now I am going to start exercise 1.2, which is question number 1 is solve following equation using quadratic formula. Question is 6x squared minus 3 minus 7x is equal to 0. First of all, I will write it in standard form. 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here a equal to 6, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to minus 3. Coefficient of x square is equal to a, coefficient of x is equal to b, and constant is c. So quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. By putting the values, b is equal to minus 7, a is equal to 6, and c is equal to minus 3 divided by 2, a is equal to 6. The next step is x is equal to minus minus will become plus 7 plus minus 49, minus minus will become plus 4 6 are 24, 24 3s are 72 divided by 12. X is equal to 7 plus minus, it will become 121, and square root 121 is equal to 11. X is equal to 7 plus minus 11 by 12. Write it 7 plus 11 by 12, and x is equal to 7 minus 11 by 12. So this is 18 by 12, and this is minus 4 by 12. After simplification, we will get 3 by 2 and minus x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So the solution set will be 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. At the end of this lecture, I am leaving an activity for you. You have to solve these two questions by using quadratic formula. In first question, first of all, you will change it into the standard form and then you will apply quadratic formula.